Good morning students. This is one short video on electrical properties of solid. As you know that elemental solid exists in three forms, that is metal, non-metal and metalloids. Metals are usually good conductor of electricity. Metals are good conductor of electricity because of free electrons. While insulators are or non-metals are bad conductor of electricity because free electrons are not present. While metalloids are poor conductor of electricity. This electrical conductivity can be explained on the basis of band theory. And what this band theory tells us? Band theory tells us that there are two types of band. Which is the first band? Valence band. The lower energy of band is called as valence band. With an example, we'll try to understand what is this valence band. But you remember that the lower energy band is called as valence band. And next one is conduction band. The higher energy band is called as conduction band. Now see the example of magnesium. Magnesium's atomic number is 12. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p0. Now this 3s2 and 3p0 is called as conduction band, which I am going to represent with Cv. And while this 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is called as valence band, which I am going to represent with Vb. Now we'll see what is the difference between metals, non-metals and metalloids. In metals, valence and conduction band are very close to each other. Here I have drawn the diagram. The gap between valence band and conduction band in case of metal is very small. Very less energy is required to excite electron from valence band to conduction band. Easily electron can go from valence band to conduction band. In conduction band, the electrons are free to move from one end to another and makes it good conductor of electricity. In this conduction band, electron can easily move from one point to another, so it makes a good conductor of electricity. That's why metals are good conductor of electricity, because the gap between this valence band and conduction band is very less. Electron can easily move from valence band to conduction band. Now in case of insulator or we can say it as non-metals, which are bad conductor of electricity. Why they are bad conductor of electricity? Because the gap between valence band and conduction band is very large. We'll see point wise. The gap between valence band and conduction band is very large. Second, energy required to promote electron from valence band to conduction band is very high. Hence it is bad conductor of electricity. You see, this is valence band, this is conduction band. Energy is greater or equal to 5 electron volt EV, and 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules, and it is more than 5 electron volt. That's why electron cannot go from valence band to conduction band. That's why it is bad conductor of electricity. And third one is semiconductors, or we say it as metalloids. In this, the gap between valence band and conduction band is smaller than insulator. In insulator, the gap is 5 EV. In case of semiconductor, it is 3 electron volt. Hence, electron can be excited from valence band to conduction band on slight heating. You see, the gap between valence band and conduction band is less as compared to insulators. It is 3 electron volt, less than 3 electron volt. So electron can easily jump from valence band till conduction band. But when we give energy to valence band, energy means when we hit the particular substance or particular semiconductors, then it will be good conductor. From this we make a conclusion that semiconductors are good conductor of electricity at higher temperature and poor conductor of electricity at lower temperature. That means metals are good conductor of electricity, Non-metals are poor conductor of electricity, and metalloids is in between, or semiconductor it is in between. It can be good conductor of electricity, and even it can be bad conductor of electricity. When it will be good conductor of electricity? At higher temperature, because at higher temperature electron will get energy to jump from valence band to conduction band. At lower energy it is bad conductor of electricity. So the sequence is metal, then comes a semiconductor or metalloids, and then it is non-metal. So this was very short video on electrical property of solid. You might have understood it. If you have any doubts related to this, please ask me.